Requiring information on LED lights for cars' interior? Installed in about an hour, I'll tell you how, and that's because I had to go under my carpet to not show wires, find the right fuses, and find out where I wanted to place them. They're bright and it has lots of settings, also the music response is dope. One minor issue I had that you might not find an issue, is that all 4 light wires go directly into the control box you use to adjust the lights. This causes it to show a lot of wires, but the way my car is, I am the only one that sees them. It looks tacky, but for the price and quality, I ain't taking off a star for it. I've had them installed for about a week and they've been working fine. I'll update this if anything happens. How I installed them, light electrician skill, full review. Contact ourselves soon for some information on LED lights for cars' interior.